Good morning, I'm Dr. Deukmedjian with the Deuk Spine Institute. I have a patient who traveled here because she had a herniated disc in her lower back at L5-S1. She had the Deuk Laser Disc Repair done. We went in with the laser and cleaned out the herniation. It was full of scar tissue and some calcium. How do you feel today?
I can't tell you the relief that I have today. The past several weeks, I could barely get out of bed. The pain was so intense, like 10 out of 10 pain. My husband was doing everything for me. I never had such pain and discomfort. I could barely move out of bed to brush my teeth or take a shower. It was the worst experience of my life. Had the surgery yesterday, and after the surgery, it was like a light turned on. I can walk like almost back to 100% into normal.
Isn't it?
It's just amazing.
It is amazing, isn't it? It's amazing when you get the right treatment for your problem, how quickly the problem goes away. Now, you did a virtual consultation with us over Zoom. How was that virtual consultation for you?
Easy. I mean, anyone who went through the pandemic probably is familiar with virtual consults or Zoom, so that was a piece of cake. It was quick and painless.
Better than the consults you had with your pain management doctor where you live.
Oh yeah, we won't go through that. That was not a great experience.
Unfortunately, pain management doctors don't have the answers to people's chronic pain. They just want to keep you in pain, so they keep treating you and making money off of you. Why did you choose Deuk Spine Institute?
Well, I like the fact that it was a less invasive procedure, that it felt like it was more cutting edge using the laser, and I just felt good about it. I believed in you.
Good, in the technology.
Yes.
Now, what was life like for you before you had your back fixed at Deuk Spine Institute with our laser spine surgery? Because you're an active woman. There's lots of things you like doing.
I bike, I have a horse, I do dressage, so I'm very, very active. And to be bedridden where I couldn't even take care of myself, I lost independence. Not just the pain, I lost independence. You become socially isolated because you're not going out, you're not hanging out with friends, you don't want to hang out with friends. All you're doing is feeling horrible. I could barely shower, so I was in the same clothes for days at a time because I could barely do anything. So it changes your life completely when you're in that kind of pain.
This is why I do what I do. This is why we have Deuk Spine Institute, to give people like you your quality of life back.
Well, I am grateful to you.
You're welcome. What's life going to be like for you now? Is there any final messages you want to give your fans out there?
Well, I realize that I have a long time. You're very conservative in the healing before I could get back to riding my horse. But I want to be careful. I don't want to re-herniate. I don't want to ever feel that again. So I promise you I'm going to be a good patient.
Good.
But I can't wait until this is like completely healed and over and I can do everything that I did before.
Yeah, that's an important distinction. Patients, usually the pain is gone the next day, but that doesn't mean they're healed and they can go out and do what they want. They have to have a time where they give the disc the full opportunity to heal properly, which it will do. It usually takes around 9 months on average, and once those 9 months pass, your disc is back to being solid and strong and you're not going to hurt it anymore. That's what the Deuk Laser Disc Repair does. Well, thank you for sharing your story. Safe travels back home.
Thank you for helping me.
You are more than welcome. It's my pleasure. All right, let's get you out of here and get you home.